Welcome to Science and Knowledge. The new Xiaomi 18 Pro leak reveals bold feature Apple may never adopt. Fresh leaks suggest the Xiaomi 18 Pro will introduce a larger secondary rear screen, raising questions about why Apple has never embraced a similar concept. Xiaomi's next premium smartphone lineup is expected to arrive under the Xiaomi 18 series banner, with the Xiaomi 18 Pro emerging as one of the most closely watched models thanks to a range of significant upgrades. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. Consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well. Yet the feature generating the most discussion is neither the camera system nor the processor. Instead, it is the rear-mounted secondary display, a bold concept that many observers believe Apple is unlikely to bring to the iPhone. According to recent leaks, Xiaomi is not only retaining the rear display on its next-generation flagship, but also significantly improving its size, display quality, and privacy capabilities. According to reliable tipster Smart Pikachu, the Xiaomi 18 Pro will feature a rear display measuring as much as 4 inches diagonally. If accurate, this would represent a substantial leap from the previous generation. The upgraded display is also expected to deliver higher brightness and improved resolution, making notifications, quick controls, and selfie framing significantly more convenient. A larger display could further enable Xiaomi to introduce new interaction methods, transforming the back of the smartphone into a functional secondary workspace rather than a simple supplementary screen. Beyond the display upgrade, Smart Pikachu claims Xiaomi 18 Pro will introduce a new privacy-focused feature. The second possibility is a software-based implementation through HyperOS. This scenario appears more likely, particularly following reports that Xiaomi is developing its own version of privacy screen technology, similar to a feature rumored for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. A software-driven approach would also allow Xiaomi to expand the capability to additional devices through future HyperOS updates rather than limiting it exclusively to the Xiaomi 18 Pro. The new Xiaomi 18 series is expected to launch in September. For more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. For our future videos, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well.